Hey everyone, in this quick video, I wanted to show you Facebook's new update that lets you see nearby friends. So let's jump into the Facebook app here so I could show you where to find that option and what it could do for you. On your Facebook here, as usual, to get to the menu, press the three lines on the bottom right of the screen, and that will bring you to this settings page. And if you scroll down here, you should see a friends nearby option. And in my case, it's under see more, so I have to expand that to see more. And if I scroll down here, it should be nearby friends. That's the option that I'm looking for. So look for that option in your menu. Go ahead and press that. And if it's your first time using it, you'll have to turn on the nearby friends option. And it will share it with friends as well. So you could decide here if you press that who you share it with. So let me go ahead and press that. And as you could see, you could share it with family, co-worker, city, whatever it may be. I'm going to go back and I'm going to say turn on nearby friends. And it's going to turn that option on for me. So now it's going to show you who's nearby based on other friends that are using this option. So it's going to show you that right there. And if you wanted to meet up with someone, you could press the wave option, or you could go ahead and press the messenger option here to send a message to them. And it will open up Messenger to do that. And if you decided to turn this off again, go to nearby friends here, go to settings on top, and you could turn off the option just by pressing that slider, and it will be turned off and people won't know that you're nearby them. But I think this is a really cool option to meet up with friends that are near your location. I hope you found this useful. Please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for daily tech videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.